Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 出. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读。出，吃，吃，乌，乌，吃乌 together 吃乌，出 very good 出 OK let's write it 我们一起写竖折竖竖竖折竖出 means come out or go out so same as we have two words will confuse people. One is 出来 another is 出去 So when you say 出来 can you tell me the speaker is inside or outside? Yes, the speaker is outside. So for example, Sunny is now outside the door. I say, Sunny, 出来 So another Sunny will come out. Another word, 出去 The speaker who say 出去 The speaker must inside the room. 出去出来出去 Okay, that's all. If you like today's video, please like and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye!